Today on Southern Gardening, we're visiting the Truck Crops Experiment Station in Crystal Springs, Mississippi. A unique ornamental sweet potato vine caught my eye in their trial gardens. Let's take a look at this plant. Sweet Caroline Medusa Green ornamental sweet potato vine is a standout foliage plant known for its vibrant color, distinctive leaf shape, and compact growth habit. Unlike traditional ornamental sweet potato vines that tend to sprawl aggressively, this variety maintains a tidy, mounded form, making it perfect for containers, hanging baskets, window boxes, and garden borders. The deeply lobed, frilly leaves resemble a wild, tangled hairstyle, hence the name Medusa. Each leaf displays a brilliant lime green hue that holds up beautifully in full sun, giving the plant a bright, fresh appearance throughout the growing season. Growing 6 to 12 inches tall and spreading 18 to 24 inches wide, Sweet Caroline Medusa Green offers the perfect balance of controlled growth and garden impact. It also makes an excellent companion to colorful flowering annuals and provides a striking contrast alongside plants with colorful foliage. This plant's heat tolerance and tidy form make it a reliable and attractive choice to brighten up any summer landscape. I'm Eddie Smith, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.